Hi there, it's Di with WTI, and if you're looking for mouthful of sweet and sour, this is that in two different ways. It's not only how they taste like, but also the sound of it when you try to say it. Super scrumptious sour rainbow ropes. It's an excellent packaging system because sometimes you don't want to get those small or bigger fingers into your candies, so they come with tweezers and you can choose which color you take and then eat that color. I love the texture of it because it's like fruit, licorice, meeting, soft filling with different tastes on different colors. So this has a little bit lemony taste, or maybe just my imagination, because colors like this make my imagination run. Or then you can try, see, I want to take with my fingers, but let me show how to properly use these tweezers. So the blue one, it has slightly like blueberry or something like artificial blueberry notes about it. So every color comes with its distinctive taste. The amount of candy you get here, because you won't be out of candies right away. And it's a great sweet snack to have every now and then. So if you're looking for a mouthful of candies, look no more. Super scrumptious sour rainbow ropes might well be your new friend. But that, of course, is just my point of view.